Hello. So we are back, yeah? Monday. I know. But Friday, Friday. Okay, let's start the video. I was looking to start the video with these tablets. On the last time, I think every week we have one tablet with this fault. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2016. And the model is SM. No, it's not SM. Maybe it's SM. Let me check. Yeah, SM-T580. Yeah. And what fault is? Check on the USB power meter there, yeah? It's taking 1.4 amps, yeah? So it's charging with 1.4 amps. Yeah? Now it's 0, yeah? We plug the charger and you can see 1 amp, 1.4, yeah? You can see 1.4, but it's nothing on the screen. And you can press the power button, nothing happened. So actually the people are coming with these tablets, say I done nothing and my tablet is dead. Yeah? So let's try to find out together how you can fix this easily. Because I don't think it's a board issue, I don't think it's a screen issue. Yeah? So what can be the problem? What do I think and what I found on the tablets? Actually the board is frozen. Yeah? And how I fixed this tablet, just open the tablet, take out the battery, plug the battery back and was working fine, yeah? But I never try to reset by button. I don't know if it's working, so let's keep press the power button, see what happened. We can check the power there. Actually I feel the tablet vibrating, but nothing on screen. So I'm just looking on the power, on the current. Because if the board get reset, the current will go to 0. So let's keep this pressed and see if we can fix on this way. Press, nothing happened. So you see, it's not listening to me. No, it's not even pressed to keep the other buttons. And it's doing charging sound. Yeah, one more time. We can hear. One more time. So it's doing the charging sound but nothing on screen. That's the thing. So if you know other way to reset the controller, yeah, let me know. But my oh, this was doing the sound, yeah, receiving message. But my way is just to open. Oh, so it's receiving message, yeah. It's doing things, but it's nothing on screen. That's the reason. That's the thing. And we have like every week, like one tablet. So let's open this. Just be careful when you use this thing, yeah, and go down, not under the screen, because you'll break the screen, yeah. It's with plastic clips. I can't really see. Yeah, the tablet is receiving message. I can hear the sound, but it's nothing on screen. And the first thing what you'll think it's a screen issue. But how is possible? The screen is not cracked. You know, the customer said was working fine. Okay, be careful on the volume button. And it's looking fine. What I will do, yeah, on this stage, it's not working, yeah. I'll take out the battery. That's what I will do. Yeah. I'll plug the battery back. Let's try now. And it's still not working. Okay, so this is not software. Maybe on this one it's the screen, yeah? Maybe it's not the screen. Let's take out the battery. Let's check the screen connector. So one connection is here. Okay, the cable was a little bit unplugged, so hopefully that's the problem. Okay, battery is plugged. Let's power up now. And it's working fine. Yeah? You remember we have this issue with the screen cable on the old models, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, you remember? Okay? Usually, I was thinking, I start this video thinking it's a same software issue. Like the something is frozen there and I have to take out the battery, plug the battery back and start working. That's what happened on the last few weeks. Yeah? Every week. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah? It's working fine. Every week, like I have one tablet with a frozen board, and I have to take out the battery, plug the battery back, and it's working fine. But this one, this cable was like just a little bit outside, yeah, a little bit pushed out, yeah. So if you have this tablet and you have nothing, like it's not working, two things, yeah. Unplug the battery and plug the battery back, and check the screen cable, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is working fine. It's no issue. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you later, yeah? So don't order the screen. Don't throw away the tablet. Can be fixed, yeah? Bye.